Switching between apps can interrupt your creative momentum. Designing in one place and generating AI images in another creates unnecessary friction. Learning multiple new AI tools also consumes valuable time. You want AI power seamlessly integrated into the design tool you already know and use. Introducing Canva Magic Studio. It brings powerful AI features directly into Canva, eliminating the need to switch apps or learn new tools. Key features include Magic Media for text-to-image AI, Magic Eraser for one-click object and background removal, and Magic Expand to extend images beyond their borders. Magic Media transforms text into stunning AI images within your design. Use Magic Eraser and BG Remover to quickly modify photos. Magic Expand allows you to seamlessly extend any image past its original boundaries. Finally, Magic Write provides instant suggestions for headlines, captions, and copy. Who benefits? Canva users can unlock AI power daily. Social media managers can create visuals and captions faster. Small business owners can design professionally without a design team. Teachers and educators can make engaging visual classroom materials in minutes. If you're already using Canva, AI superpowers are waiting for you. Design smarter with AI built in. Start by opening Canva and looking for the sparkle icons. Try Magic Media to generate images from a prompt. Use Magic Eraser or BG Remover on any photo, and explore Magic Write for instant copy suggestions. All these features are available free in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on strategies grounded in evidence.